By following the steps on this protocol, any scientist should be able to set up the cost jet, measure the applied power, and apply the atmospheric pressure plasma generated in the device on a solid or liquid substrate in a reproducible manner. Applying the cost jets onto samples, such as biological substrates, allows direct comparison between research results of different groups, as well as direct comparison between simulation and experiment.
When applied to complex systems, such as biological substrates and liquids, the cost jets can really help us simplify the problem and focus on the interesting science.
Before the treatment, prepare the experimental setup by arranging the gas supply with all-metal gas line. Choose the mass flow controllers used to provide the feed gas, avoiding any TPFE or similar plastics tubing. Realize the admixture of reactive gases with a system consisting of multiple mass flow controllers. For smaller admixtures, use a counter-mixing unit to reduce the time needed for the mixing to complete. Add a valve between the gas supply lines and the jet. Clean the gas supply lines before the surface treatment by pumping and refilling them approximately 3 times. Add a pump to the system and turn it on, then switch off the pump and turn on the gas flow. Add a molecular sieve trap or cold trap. Connect the cost jet device to a gas supply and to the power supply. Then connect the integrated electrical probes to an oscilloscope. Properly compensate a commercial voltage probe. Open the cost jet housing by removing 2 of the screws and connect the commercial voltage probe.